We should be
Look
good.
at this shit. This person
Look, they already
get a
tagged this
brand
shit?
new car. Not that they give a damn about it, but this is crazy. Hurricane Ian.
Yeah, real nice place. Looks like a shithole.
We got fucked. That's not
Oh
all of
my
it.
god.
That's just the side.
Whoa. That's horrible. Wow. This is crazy, y'all. This is what we have to live with and deal with, y'all.
Right. I need a loan. Yeah, I need a place. I'll pay 400.
No.
They need to do more than that. Like, find you guys a place.